sunshines. Let's make today a great day. Here we go. The month is October. If yesterday's date was October 14th, then today's date must be October 15th. Quick question. So far, how many Thursdays have we had in October? So far, how many Thursdays have we had in October? Well, gotta go to Thursday. 1, 2, 3. It is our third Thursday so far. Let's fill in our date. It is October 15th, 2020. Put it in word form. October 15th, 2020. I know that today is Thursday. If today is Thursday, hop backwards to yesterday. What was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. So if yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be my favorite day, Friday. Let's add another unit to figure out how many days we've been in school. I still have 2 groups of 10 and 3 ones. So 23. 23. Let's make 23 cents. Here we go. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, let's do our words. Know them fast. Here we go. Says. Each. Say. Any. Number. Between. Let's get our new number. 81. Counting by tens. Where 81 is. So we're going to count by tens down this row again. Or this column again. Here we go. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101, 111. Put this off to the side so we'll be ready. All right, let's get our number 1. Oh my word, could this be any easier? What's 1 less? 0. What's 1 more? 2. We're going to skip 10 less. Let's look back. We were just counting that. What's 10 more? 11. All right, let's get our big number. 133. Help me read that, please. 133. Okay, so I have 1 group of 100, 3 groups of 10, and 3 ones or 3 units. So if I go up here and I change this, I take 1 away from it. That's 0. So what's my number? 33. But if I go up here and I add 1 more to this, now it's a 2. Now my number is 233. Great work today. Make sure you get all your work done by tomorrow evening.